Most car owners are quietly throwing away thousands of dollars on problems they could have stopped with simple 5-minute moves. From secret buttons to everyday household items that beat the repair shop every time, I'm pulling back the curtain on 23 car hacks you'll wish you knew years ago. Each one saves money, cuts frustration, or boosts safety, and the final ones could literally keep you out of danger. Stick around because these aren't the basic tips you've heard before. Let's kick things off with a mistake almost every driver makes without realizing how much it's costing them. Hack number 23, don't run on empty. Running your tank down to the fumes isn't stretching your fuel budget, it's quietly destroying your fuel system. When that low fuel light comes on, your fuel pump loses the liquid that cools and lubricates it. It starts running hot, sucking up sludge, dirt, and debris that's settled at the bottom of the tank straight into your filters and injectors. One day your car hesitates, sputters, and strands you at the worst possible moment. A new fuel pump and related repairs, easily $400 to $900 depending on the vehicle. Smart drivers keep their tank above a quarter full, especially before long trips or in extreme weather. It's the cheapest insurance you can buy for your fuel system and your schedule. Now that your fuel system is protected, let's talk about what happens every single cold morning. Hack number 22, warm up cold engines smartly. Here's a hard truth most people ignore. The majority of engine wear happens in those first critical moments after startup. Cold, thick oil hasn't reached all the bearings, pistons, and camshaft yet. Floor it right away and you're grinding metal on metal. Instead, let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds so oil pressure builds properly. Then drive gently for the first few miles until the temperature gauge starts moving. No hard acceleration, no high revs. If you live in a cold climate, a block heater is one of the best investments you'll ever make. It pre-warms the oil so your engine wakes up happy and lives much longer. Speaking of temperature swings, your tires feel them too. Hack number 21, adjust tire pressure by season. Tire pressure isn't a set-it-and-forget-it thing. For every 10-degree Fahrenheit drop in temperature, you lose roughly 1 psi. That perfect summer pressure can become dangerously low in winter, hurting handling, fuel economy, and tire life. When the weather turns cold, check your tires when they're cold and add 3.5 psi above the door sticker recommendation. In summer, dial it back. Always use a good gauge, gas station ones are often inaccurate. This one habit improves safety, saves gas, and makes your tires last thousands of miles longer. Hack number 20, check tire tread with a coin. Bald tires don't wave a flag until you're sliding through an intersection. The 10-second test, take a penny and insert Lincoln's head upside down into the main tread grooves. If you can see the top of his head, your tires are legally and dangerously worn. For a stricter check, use a quarter. If Washington's head is visible, replace them immediately. Also inspect all 4 tires for uneven wear, which often signals alignment or suspension issues. Catching this early prevents blowouts and expensive secondary damage. Hack number 19, test engine oil with paper. Mechanics don't always advertise this one. Warm the engine for a couple minutes, pull the dipstick and drop 2 spots onto white paper towel. Let it sit for 2 hours. A healthy oil spot dries light brown with a clean ring. Dark and gritty means it's overdue. Shiny metal particles scream internal wear. A milky appearance warns of coolant mixing in, a major engine killer. Do this test monthly. It gives you X-ray vision into your engine's health and can save you from a 4-figure repair bill. Hack number 18, reset the ECU when your car acts up. Sometimes your car develops strange symptoms, rough idle, sluggish shifts, poor fuel economy with no codes or obvious cause. The ECU, your car's computer, has simply gotten confused from old learned data. A quick reset often fixes it. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear adaptive memory or disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10-15 seconds while holding the brake pedal. The car will relearn fresh parameters during your next drive. Great after battery changes, major repairs, or when things just feel off. Many unnecessary shop visits are avoided with this simple step. Hack number 17, nail polish for paint scratches. A small rock chip looks innocent until rust starts spreading underneath. Stop it cold with matching nail polish. Clean the spot, apply a thin layer, let it cure, then buff lightly. It seals the metal and blends in surprisingly well. Keep a bottle in the glove box. This 2-minute repair prevents bodywork that can cost hundreds later and keeps your paint looking sharp for years. Hack number 16. Use rubber weather stripping conditioner on door seals. Door seals take a beating from sun, cold, and dirt. They dry, crack, and let wind, noise, and water inside. Every few months, wipe them clean and apply a dedicated rubber conditioner or silicone grease. The seals stay supple, doors close quieter, leaks stop, and in winter they're far less likely to freeze shut. Think of it as moisturizer for your car, cheap and incredibly effective. Hack number 15. Use toothpaste as a headlight polish. Cloudy, yellowed headlights turn night driving into a guessing game. Regular white toothpaste, non-gel, works wonders. Dampen a cloth, apply toothpaste, and polish in circles for a few minutes. The mild abrasives remove oxidation and restore clarity. Rinse and dry. Follow up with car wax for longer protection. Brighter lights mean better visibility and safer nights without spending on expensive replacements. Hack number 14. Clean your AC vents with a foam paintbrush. That musty smell when you first turn on the AC comes from built-up dust, pollen, and bacteria. A cheap foam paintbrush or makeup brush dipped in mild cleaner lets you reach deep between the fins and pull out the grime. Run the fan afterward to dry everything. Fresh air, better cooling performance, and no more expensive HVAC deodorizing jobs. Hack number 13. Thermal cascade cooling trick. On scorching days, your parked car can hit 140–170 degrees F inside. Don't just blast the AC into that furnace. Roll down the passenger windows, then open and close the driver's door several times like a bellows to push hot air out. Then turn AC to max cold with outside air, not recirc, and aim vents low. Once it's cool, close windows and switch to recirc. Your cabin drops temperature dramatically faster and your AC system works less hard. Hack number 12. Crack the window to avoid steering wheel burns. Leave windows cracked an inch or two when parking in the sun. Combined with a reflective windshield shade, this drops interior temps significantly and keeps your steering wheel. Dash and seats from baking. Your interior plastics and leather will thank you with longer life and fewer cracks. Hack number 11. Use WD-40 on frozen doors. Before winter hits, spray a light coat of WD-40 on door seals and hinges. It displaces moisture and prevents ice from bonding. If doors or locks freeze anyway, a quick spray melts it fast. No more ripped seals or broken handles on freezing mornings. Hack number 10. Hand sanitizer for frozen locks. Alcohol melts ice instantly. Rub hand sanitizer on your key, insert it, and work it gently. Keep a small bottle in the glove box for those brutal mornings. Fast, cheap, and always available. Hack number 9. Coat wiper blades with rubbing alcohol. Wipe your blades with rubbing alcohol on a paper towel. It removes road film, restores flexibility, reduces streaking, and helps prevent them from freezing to the glass. Do it monthly and your wipers last longer while giving you crystal clear vision when it matters. Hack number 8. Use a sun shade to protect your dashboard and electronics. A simple accordion sun shade reflects heat and UV rays, keeping your dash, steering wheel, and screens from premature aging. Pop it up every time you park in direct sun. Your interior stays cooler and looks newer for years. Hack number 7. Check brake fluid with a simple strip test. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, lowering its boiling point and causing spongy brakes when you need them most. Cheap test strips tell you at a glance when it's time for a flush. Catching this early prevents expensive caliper and master cylinder damage and could save your life. Hack number 6. Use anti-seize grease on battery terminals. Clean terminals and coat with dielectric grease or anti-seize. This stops corrosion, ensures strong electrical connections, improves starting reliability, and extends battery life dramatically. 5 minutes of prevention beats jumping your car on the side of the road. Hack number 5. Spray silicone on window tracks to prevent sticking. A quick shot of silicone spray, not WD-40, into the window channels keeps glass moving smoothly, reduces strain on the motors, and prevents premature failure. Do it twice a year for silent, reliable windows. Hack number 4, shift override button for a dead battery. Can't get your automatic out of park with a dead battery? There's a small cover near the shifter. Pop it off and use a key or screwdriver to release the shift lock. You can now move the car safely for a jump start. Hack number 3, use floor mats for traction in mud or snow. Stuck? Place your rubber floor mats under the drive wheels for instant extra grip. Gentle throttle usually gets you moving, a lifesaver that costs nothing extra. Hack number 2, fuel up the right way. Pump in stages with short pauses. This reduces foaming, lets the tank accept more actual fuel, and protects your evaporative emissions system from stress. You'll notice slightly better range and fewer future fuel system headaches. Hack number 1, carry a compact jump starter. Modern lithium jump starters are small enough for the glove box yet powerful enough to start most vehicles multiple times. No more waiting for help or flagging down strangers. Many also charge phones and run tire inflators, one of the highest ROI safety items you can own. There you have it, 23 powerful car hacks that save real money and frustration. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and tell me what other secret tips you've discovered. If you want even more hidden features and long life secrets, check out my next video, 21 hidden car features almost no one knows about. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the garage. Drive safe.